my channel. Today I'm creating this makeup look here. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So firstly I'm just going to apply some Stila primer, and it's the one that has the multiple colours in it. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my skin and like focus on the cheeks a lot as well, because that's where a lot of my redness is. So today I'm going to be using this Nars foundation and also this Eyeko beauty brush as well. And then I'm just going to blend that in. And I'm just going to apply some more to my cheeks. It definitely does a good job at covering everything up, and it's very buildable, so you can either have it natural or you can make it full coverage if you want. Like, I think it's perfect for a night out or just during the day. You should comment down below what your favourite concealer is so I can try some new ones out. I'm going to put some here as well, and then some on my top lip, and then I always like to put some down my nose like that. Like that. So you don't want to swipe off the concealer, so you're kind of just like dabbing it in. I look like a ghost now. And I felt like I could do my foundation first today because I know that I'm not going to have much fallout with the eyeshadow that I'm going to use today. Well, I hope I don't anyway. I don't want to speak too soon. I feel like this concealer makes all the difference when I put it on my lids, like it's so good. And now I'm going to apply some of this high beam highlighter, and it's the Benefit one, and I'm just going to apply some of it to my cheeks. I'll see how that goes. I haven't used this one for ages, but I know it's very hard to work with if you've already put your powder on. But I'm just going to put a little bit there. Not too much, eh? Just a little bit. And then just slowly work it up. So I'm just going to get this Sigma concealer brush, and I'm just going to pop some on my brow bone. Just because I don't trust myself with my big fat fingers, so I'm going to use this one. Carve it out like that. You can use this product for so many things. And to set under my eyes, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I'm going to use that banana shade. And to set my foundation, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm pretty sure this is the lightest one. Yeah, it is NC15. And you can never go wrong with MAC, eh? They've just got so many good products and they're never going to let you down. And I kind of like to dab it into my skin rather than like swiping it, because then the foundation's going to come off. But the first colour I'm going to use in my crease is Peach Smoothie. And you'll want to use quite a subtle colour first, just to build up the colour, because you don't want to go in there with a really intense colour to start off with. You need to build it up a little bit. See, this colour is pretty subtle, and then I'm going to go in with a quite intense one. So you want to build it up first. And this is a Makeup Geek eyeshadow, by the way, I forgot to say. The eyeshadows are so good and they're pretty affordable as well, so yeah, amazing. And I'm going to go in with another Makeup Geek eyeshadow, and it's called Morocco, and it looks like this. And now I'm going to go in with this Tarte palette, and I'm going to use this shade Firecracker right here. Yeah. And then I'm going to just use my finger to apply it. And pop it right on my lid. Holy crap, that is so pigmented. I think the fact that I'm using my finger makes it even more intense as well. It changes the whole look because it was looking so orangey before, but now just applying that makes it completely different. And I'm just going to get a blending brush and just blend it in. This is my favourite brush, by the way. It's the Sigma E40. If there's one brush you're going to buy, definitely this one, because holy crap, it's just amazing. Nothing blends better than this one. And now I'm going to go in with this Clinique mascara, and I'm just going to coat my lashes a little bit. Nothing extreme. And then I'm going to apply these Huda Beauty lashes, and I think they're a number 11. I just pop them on like this and try to push them into your natural lashes as much as possible. And you don't want to get them too close to your inner corner because that's when it irritates them. This is the Eyeko brow gel, by the way. Making my bronzer quite intense today. So I'm just going to put more on than usual. Around my forehead as well. And what you want to do is you want to start up here and then slowly go down, because you don't want to start here and it be really intense. You want it to look like natural, semi-natural, you know? But at the end of the day, do you and whatever works for you. But I find that if you start from the top and then blend down, it looks more natural. And then the other side. And if you want to, you can use like the back of something and then use that, and it can create a really sharp line. So today I'm going to go in with the Milani blush. This one is so cheap and it's amazing. So if you haven't tried it, give it a go because they're so pigmented. I'll show you how good they are. See? I just want to put some on the apples of my cheeks and then slowly blend it up. Kind of like that. I've got quite an intense bronzer today, so I don't want to go too much with the blush. For highlighter, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow kit. I'm going to use Dipping in Gold. So I'm just going to put the whole thing on. Like that. Holy crap, that is so intense. And one of the reasons being is the fact that I put that liquid highlighter on underneath. For lipstick today, I'm going to try Pretty Please and MAC. And then I'm going to use this Too Faced Lip Injection lip gloss. These are so good, they actually make your lips bigger as well, and you can feel it. It's kind of irritating, but it's crazy how much they work.